Are you an educator who happens to love what you do for a living but often feels limited to what you can earn in your profession? Guess what? You're not alone. Thousands of educators across the country are looking for fun ways to use what they know to their advantage to reach financial freedom. Teachers Pay Teachers is making that happen, providing those in the education field with a unique opportunity to generate passive income like never before. With inflation on the rise and the cost of living skyrocketing over the past few years, many in education feel that they're finding themselves seeking part-time employment outside of their usual business hours just to make ends meet. But with TPT, educators are finding a new stress-free way to earn income without leaving home. During the pandemic, Teachers Pay Teachers became an increasingly popular way for educators to make a living by creating and selling high-quality virtual learning materials. As virtual learning continues to evolve, more people will be opting for a virtual or hybrid learning model. Many educators have reached millionaire status from their offerings. Yep, you definitely heard that right, millionaire status. Today's series will highlight One Stop Teacher Shop, just one of the many Teacher Pay Teacher millionaires having incredible success with her offerings. One Stop Teacher Shop was started by a passionate teacher named Christian. With 16 years of teaching experience and a master's degree in both elementary reading and mathematics. She has spent most of her time teaching children between grades 3 and 5, but offers virtual materials for pre-K to grade 12, adult education, and homeschooling families. Christian has always believed in the importance of making things fun and engaging for students to grasp their interests and keep them interested in the lesson, which is one of the many reasons she's done exceptionally well at selling her virtual materials to other educators like herself. She has several custom categories and is known for providing mini game bundles to make learning more exciting for children. She also creates and sells teacher planners that helps educators stay organized and on top of all of their latest lessons. Although the cost of her resources varies tremendously, options are available for as low as $9.99 with bundled resources available for teachers who want to ensure children can remember what they're learning and get the most from every lesson in different subjects, such as math and reading. One Stop Teacher Shop has an incredible 5-star rating with buyers saying plenty of positive things about the resources provided, including how much time they have saved using them. Many reviewers raved over how receptive the children were to these learning resources and how engaged they were while completing the worksheets. With such great reviews, it comes as no surprise that Kristen and her business, One Stop Teacher Shop, makes millions from high-quality educational resources that benefit other educators who wants to increase engagement in their classrooms. Now, if you're checking out One Stop Teacher Shop products, you'll notice that she has 997 resources available, providing plenty of opportunity for her to make money selling her neatly crafted materials. If you check out one of her offerings, the 5th grade Math Spiral Review, you'll notice that she currently sells this for $29.99 and has 3,865 reviews for that product alone. If she sold these review materials for $29.99, every time someone made a purchase, she would have likely earned roughly $115,000. Specifically, $115,911.35 just from that one resource, proving just how easy it is to profit from your creations. With over 107,000 followers on Teachers Pay Teachers, many of whom may purchase from One Stop Teacher Shop quite often, this store is undoubtedly making multiple sales per day. Another likely reason for this success of the One Stop Teacher Shop is that Christian has built an online presence for the store on social media. While the success of the store on Teachers Pay Teachers certainly doesn't require the use of social media, it's always good to hone in on the opportunity to reach other audiences on platforms like Instagram and Facebook, leading them to the site to buy teacher resources. It's also a fantastic way to stay connected to buyers and let them know when new releases are available, which One Stop Teacher Shop does. Although it's important to understand that many TPT millionaires didn't reach this status overnight, it's certainly possible to generate a passive income that puts a stop to that constant feeling of living paycheck to paycheck. If you're willing to dedicate yourself to creating high quality resources and materials for other educators, you can also have this level of success. If you want to learn more about Teachers Pay Teachers Millionaires, like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos on this series coming soon. See you in the next one.